raising the right hand, but we will see the left hand in our mirror. Yes, the mirror is formed in the mirror. Observe that. Have you seen? Which hand it is? Right. But what is the hand which is observed in the mirror? Yes. In the same way, for example, you are passing on the road. We can see the ambulance. The spelling of ambulance on the vehicle, it will be reverse. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Did you observe or not? Observe here the spelling of ambulance on the vehicle. Yes. Why it is in reverse? If the vehicle is crossing in the front side, they can observe from spelling from the mirror. Then how it will be? The right spelling will we can see. Yes. Can you observe here? The spelling of ambulance from the mirror image. Yes or no? See what? Yes.
అలాగే
See that light travels in this right. This straight pipe I have taken from this I can able to see the light which is lighted the candle. Yes, I just observe the light from here. Yes, I can able to see the light. Yes, observe that. Can you able to see the light from that? Yes. Now observe from this. Can you able to see? No. By this, what we can observe is the light travels in a straight line. The light travels in a. Yes. Everybody understood? Wait. If I observe the image on the phone, it is on the concave. I can observe the original image. If I turn this phone in the convex, the erect image will be formed. That means my head will be come down and the body will come up. That means the erect picture we can observe from the convex mirror and the original image can be seen in the concave mirror. Okay? Just for having fun to the school. Can you observe it? How? Where is your head? Reverse image. Can you observe here? Understood?